What if you could make faster business decisions, analyze markets in minutes, and 10x your productivity, all without hiring a single extra person? Stay with me till the end of this video because today I'm going to show you how generative AI is transforming the dynamics of business strategy and the one skill that will decide whether AI becomes your competitive advantage or your biggest missed opportunity. Welcome back to The Business Strategist, where we turn ideas into impact. In today's video, we are diving deep into one of the most powerful tools reshaping the business world, that is, generative AI. So let's dive right away into it. Generative AI is changing the way business professionals think. Across the world, companies are adopting AI at a speed we have never seen before. More than half of working professionals now use generative AI tools in some form. And why? Because AI helps you to research faster, plan smarter, personalize customer interactions, analyze competitors, and build business strategies with more clarity. It's becoming a must have tool not just for big corporates, but even for small and mid sized businesses. AI boosts productivity and decision making. Studies show that AI can help professionals save 2 to 3 hours every single day. AI has indeed become the second brain for professionals and business owners. That means more time for client meetings, strategy building, and scaling your business. AI helps you generate market insights, customer behavior reports, sales proposals, negotiation strategies, forecasts, and even full business plans. But here is where the real magic lies. AI is powerful, but only if you know how to use it. Most people think AI works automatically, but here is the truth. AI is only as good as the prompt you give it. If you ask poor questions, you get poor answers. If you ask great questions, AI becomes your most valuable business advisor. That is why prompt engineering, which is the technical language to communicate with generative AI models, has become the number one must have skill for business professionals today. Why prompt engineering matters for your business strategy? Well, with right prompts, AI can help you explore new markets, understand industry trends, draft proposals tailored to client needs, improve internal communications, and build faster, more accurate strategies. Prompt engineering is a skill that turns AI from a simple tool into a competitive advantage for your business and teams. If you want to learn this skill the right way, I have created a dedicated masterclass in prompt engineering, which is highly useful for business owners, consultants, and business development professionals. This masterclass will help you to write powerful prompts, unlock advanced AI capabilities, create better strategies, boost your productivity, and confidently leverage AI for real business results. You will find the link to access the masterclass right in the video description below. Do check it out and empower your second brain to make you more effective. Remember, future belongs to those who will train themselves to make the best use of AI. This brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you found these insights valuable, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more business strategy tips. And I will see you in the next video here on Business Strategist, where we turn ideas into impact.